Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Let's learn blowing smoke, 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts. Here we go. Here's a preview of the steps. It starts with the left foot. It's cross, hitch, cross, scene, shuffle, rock, recover, and a weave. Turn half, hitch, cross, scene, shuffle, and step. Touch, step, touch, step, together, and a quarter, shuffle, and a pivot, a half, and a shuffle, half, and a step. Touch, step, touch, back, back, step, point. New wall, 3 o'clock wall. It turns clockwise. Let's break it down. First 8, starting with the left foot. Cross over right, hitch right, crossing shuffle right, rock recover left, rock recover, and a weave to the right, behind side cross. That's the first 8. Cross, hitch, cross, scene, shuffle, rock, recover, and a weave. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second 8. Quarter right, hitch, left, turning cross, scene, shuffle, step to the right, touch left in front, step left, touch right in front. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a styling option on this. Step sheet would like you to do step, rock, recover, step, rock, recover. It's really fast. So if you don't want to rock, recover that fast, you can do step, point, step, point. One more time with the alternative. Step, hitch, cross, scene, shuffle, step, rock, recover, step, rock, recover. Third 8. Just finished our touch. Step together to the right, step together, shuffle a quarter over your right shoulder to 9 o'clock, shuffle, pivot a half, pivot a half. Now pick up your left foot and shuffle back another half, keep turning over your right shoulder. Shuffle back. Good. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the third 8. Fourth 8. Fourth 8. I'm going to keep going over my right shoulder, a quarter turn, now face 12 o'clock, stepping right, touch left, step left, touch right, go back, back, right, left, forward right, another quarter turn over your right shoulder with your left foot pointing now to 3 o'clock. Point. And this is your new wall. So the fourth 8 looks like this. Touch, step, touch, back, back, forward, turn, and point. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's review it all together from the top, starting with the left foot. 5, 6, 7 with words. Cross, hitch, cross, scene, shuffle, rock, recover, left, left, weave. Turn, right, hitch left, cross, scene, shuffle, and a step. Touch, step to the right, together, quarter, shuffle, pivot a half, shuffle back, quarter, step, touch, step, touch, back, back, forward, point. With counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. New wall. No tags, no restarts. That's blowing smoke. Have fun. Thank you for joining me. Click subscribe. Have a great day. You deserve it.